Hello and welcome to another Robbie Tech unboxing and or overview, perhaps a slight review in this instance. What do we have here today? We've got a pair of headphones which have just arrived and we are going to have a look. And what we have here is the Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE Edition headphones. They're produced by CORSAIR. They're compatible with the PC and the PlayStation 4 currently as such. Gunmetal grey, so that's always a good thing. It suits a lot of the other componentry I have around the place. And I predominantly got them because they're wireless and they do also come with 7.1 surround sound. They're high-fidelity gaming headset, and let's get into the unboxing. These CORSAIR Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE Edition headphones do come with 50mm drivers, and they're also compatible with CORSAIR's IQ technology. More about that as we get into the unboxing itself. So let's get cracking. So it's a little seal here, little nip here. That's always a nice thing. The knife, I don't think in this case is needed. What we shall have to do is just move that across there. So the box itself is a fingerprint magnet, greeted by the CORSAIR logo here, which is quite nice. On the side here, we've got a CORSAIR logo and what looks like to be a bit of an equalizer pattern. Again, on the opposing side, not too shabby. And as we lift up the lid to expose the inner sanctum of this case, we're greeted with our headphones. So at first glance, we can see a dry pack. I'll lift these up ever so carefully. We've got a couple of plastic covers around the outer diameter of the headphones themselves. So we'll pop those aside. And we'll pop the headphones aside for the time being as we delve deeper into what's in the box. Got our dry pack. Do not eat that or consume it in any way. We've got a CORSAIR bag that we can, you know, if you are on the move, run and gun, you can pop your headphones in there. Realistically, if it added to the cost, I don't know how much I will be utilizing them. We're greeted with another box within the box, so we'll take that out per se. And as we lift up the accessories box, I'm guessing, we're greeted with the manual and warranty information. And we're greeted with what looks like decently accented cabling, microphone, and wireless dongle. So at first glance, I have to say it's not too shabby. It's got like a it's got like a metallic finish to it, which is going to, I'm guessing, match the style of the headphones. USB-C connection that will go towards the headphones themselves. To a standard USB connection to the computer itself. 3.5mm jack, and also what is renowned as a very decent microphone for a headset. It's a boom grade mic, which is a broadcast quality mic, which also, as you can see, has a little switch here. We'll pop that back in for the time being, and we'll bring our piece de resistance Virtuoso headphones back into the mix. At first glance, I shall, it seems like the memory foam has had a life of its own. Hopefully this will sort of work its way back out again, frankly. Otherwise they look like they've been used a little bit. Now the swivel action goes both ways, which is real convenient, but when you have the microphone connected, you will only realistically be able to swivel in one way. It's made from a soft memory foam with a pleather-like feel. The inner couplings themselves don't look like they will support a large ear in that sense, but I've worn these before. They get quite large and you can easily wear them with a hat, for example. Standard micro USB connection for the mic here, 3.5mm jack insert here, USB-C connection here. There's a switch for both when it's in USB mode and or wireless, and also what seems to feel like a sturdy volume control knob that you can control through the Windows volume tab itself. That's where it'll directly go towards. It's also got a covering over the outer shell of it. It's made from light aluminium and it seems to feel sturdy in all the right places. I do lie regarding this unboxing. This is a true unboxing, but I actually already possess a pair of these. And for the price range, which is approximately between 340 and 370 Australian dollars, and the Australian dollar is at the moment about 70 cents to $1 US. So there's a 30% difference, plus probably about a 10 to 15, 20% markup on Australian imports as well. We find you'll be able to get these for approximately $200 USD. Insert the mic for good measure. And it's adjustable as well. It does feel like it probably it's like it's been in a cold warehouse, and there we go, it's got a bit more rigidity to it now. So placing our headset to one side here, I'm going to show you guys the other pair. So I lie not, they are on charge. Now these are RGB headphones themselves. The mic is currently off and it signifies that with red. When it's on, it's green. Also, the RGB effect comes through the CORSAIR logo just here and the CORSAIR logo on the opposing side just here. You can completely adjust that with the IQ software itself, and you can have rainbow spew, or you can turn it completely off. I like to turn it completely off to maximize battery life, and it gives me then 20 hours plus of battery life on one single charge. I've currently got these on charge themselves, so I'll put those back and we'll bring the other ones, the new ones, or the spare ones should I say, into the mix. The IQ software that comes with these headphones, for the headphone specific aspect of it, is quite thorough. It allows for customizability of the equalizer settings. There are 5 presets, including an FPS mode, for example. These are high fidelity headphones as well. Also, you've got the option of completely adjusting the equalizer to a custom setting, and I suggest playing around with that to get the right mix of, say if you're using them for gaming, footsteps as well as a bit of bass, because the FPS will drown out the bass completely. but you probably do want some life in your headphones while you're playing games as well with them. All in all, I've used these now for approximately 3 to 4 days, the other pair, and I've been quite satisfied with the quality. I'm hoping that the soft nature of the leather itself won't wear off too quickly, but they are back with a 2-year CORSAIR warranty, and for what you're getting in the price range, there really isn't much else that competes on a wireless level. There are a few other ROG Strix, for example, produces a headset. There's the Flight ones, the S-Flight ones. I went for something a little different, and I personally haven't been disappointed. So guys, that's been another Robbytech unboxing. I hope you guys got something out of this. I'm pretty new to this as well, so hit the like button. At the very least, don't dislike it too quickly, guys. Be a bit more forgiving, please. And hit subscribe for additional Robbytech unboxing, reviews, overviews, builds, and or just tech news in general. Peace out, guys.